Gitbook tutorial: how to use Gitbook for white paper documentation. So first go to your Chrome and search for Gitbook over here. Then on this page, you can log in or create one and use your free trial. Let's click on the free trial over here. Then after that, you can log in via GitHub or Gmail. I will use my Gmail for this one. Just click on that, and then after that, type in your email and password. Once done, click Continue. After logging in, you can create a new space which serves as the main project or book. Each page contains pages and subpages. So here, let's do one. You can import content, use a template, sync with GitHub, or add members. So for this tutorial, let's use a template. Click on this one. Then here, you can see the preview templates we can use. Just click Use this template below to start customizing. Just give it a name, customize your content, and add media. It will automatically save once you go out of the editor. On the left side menu, you can use these tools to maximize your Gitbook. That's it for this tutorial. For more how-to videos, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button if this video has helped you. And don't forget to share your comments or suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.